Here's how you can change the background of your video in CapCut PC. First, import your video onto the timeline. Now we need to duplicate the clip. Select the video and press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V on your keyboard. You should now have two identical clips placed one on top of the other in the timeline. Next, select the top video clip. Now go to Remove BG and click on Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically remove the background from your subject. Once the background is removed, we can add a new background. Go to Stock Materials and choose any background you like. Drag and drop the background clip onto the timeline between the two video layers. Now your new background will appear behind the subject. To make the video look smoother and more professional, you can also add a transition or animation. Select the clip and go to Animation. Choose an effect like Slide Up or any animation you prefer. And that's it, you've successfully changed the background of your video in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.